Hello, everyone. Welcome to virtual storytime here at Sandusky District Library. This is week 3 of fall storytime. I am so glad you're here. Let's get started with our welcome poem. Are you ready? All right. Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Welcome, everyone. I'm so glad that you're here. This week, we're going to talk all things colors. And you know what? I just realized I don't have enough color on for the week of colors. Let me change that. That's better. All right, so let's get to our first book. Okay, our first book is about a horse that wants to color a picture. So okay, all right. This is called Horse and Buggy, Painted Out, and it's by Ethan Long. That looks fun. Yes, I am painting a mural. What's your plan? My plan? Ha! I don't need a plan. It's all up here. In your hat? No, in my brain, silly. Here I go. Plunk. I could help. No thanks. I do not need help. Plunk. Horse, your plan needs a plan. My plan does not need a plan. Oh, I don't know. It might need a plan, right, guys? And neither do I. See? Horse, your mural is a big mess. This is how I like to work. Go paint your own mural. Step aside, please. Whoop! Splat! Oh no. Horse, are you okay? Buggy, yes. Can you help me? Yes. 1, get a drop cloth. 2, put your things on it. 3, draw what's in your head or in my hat. Finally, draw your picture on the wall. Oh, bzz, 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 bzz. Then you can paint. Wow, this mural will be great. You want to see it? It's going to be wonderful, right? Horse, why are you painting with your tail? Because horsehair brushes are the best. That silly horse. Isn't that picture great? Okay, that is our first book for this week. Let's check out what we're going to do for our craft. Okay, so our craft this week is color your own masks. So you in your craft kit will have one of these. And if you haven't ordered your craft kits, that's okay. Just go online to the Sandusky District Library and order, and we will call you when it's ready, okay? Ready to be picked up. Okay, so, and then you also got your stick. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your mask and you're going to take your stick and you're going to scratch off the black. So, let me scratch. So this is what mine. So you scratch it off. And there's different colors underneath it. How awesome is that? So you can scratch off as little or as much as you want. I just scratched off a little bit just to show you guys how to do it. And then you also have this. And then you're gonna put it like so. So then when you're all done, and you're all done scratching off, then you have a colorful mask. Okay. All right. So that's it for our craft this week. Let's go and read our next book. Our next book is called It's an Orange Aardvark, and it's by Michael Hall. Orange aardvark. It's a strange color, right? Boom, rumble, rumble. Did you hear that? What was it? Uh-oh. Huh? I wonder what that is. Should we find out? It's an Orange Aardvark by Michael Hall. What are you doing? I'm making a hole in our stump. Like a window. Sweet. Wait, what if there's an aardvark out there? Aardvarks are gray and sneaky. Uh-oh. And they have long tongues and they're perfect for eating carpenter ants. You know, goodness, I'm scared. Yikes, same here. It's just a peephole. Thunk. It's not an aardvark, it's orange. Like an orange. Juicy. Oh no, it's an orange aardvark. Aardvarks turn orange when they're hungry for ants, you know. Goodness gracious, yikes. Hold on, I'll drill another hole and we'll see. Oh, there's the next hole. Thunk. Ah, it's orange and blue. Blue like the ocean. Cool. Oh, no. It's worse than I thought. It's an orange aardvark and it's wearing blue pajamas. Aardvarks love to snack on ants before bed, you know. Goodness gracious, yikes. Hold on. Thunk. Ah, it's orange and blue and red. Red like a fire truck. Awesome. Oh, no. It's a pajama wearing orange aardvark and it's carrying a large bottle of ketchup. Aardvarks prefer their ants with lots of ketchup, you know. Goodness gracious, yikes. Hold on, I'll try again. Thunk. Ah, it's orange, blue, red, and green. Green like grass. Neat. Oh, no. It's a pajama wearing, ketchup carrying, orange aardvark guiding a group of geckos to our stop. Geckos eat ants too, you know. Goodness gracious, yikes. Bunk. Look, it's orange, blue, red, green, and yellow. Yellow like the sun. Brilliant. Oh, no. It's a pajama wearing, ketchup carrying, gecko guiding, orange aardvark, and it's driving a yellow bulldozer right towards our stump. Goodness, I heard it rumbling. Gracious, me too. Yikes. Hey, wait, you guys. I just thought of something else. That's red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. And it doesn't eat carpenter ants. And if I'm correct, there should be purple right about here. Thunk. Aha, it's purple, like a purple violet. Let's go see. Don't go, it's a pajama wearing, ketchup carrying, gecko guiding, dozer driving, orange aardvark pouring purple grape juice. It's okay, come on out. It's a rainbow. It's beautiful. It's lovely. Have you noticed we have wings? Hey, the coast is clear. Wait, listen to me. Yippee! Hooray! Whee! Grape juice tastes good with ants, you know. Ah! All right, that's all the books I have to share with you this week. I hope you like them. Next week, we're going to talk pumpkins. So with that being said, I have just a couple books to share with you. One's called Penguin and Pumpkin, and another one is Duck and Goose Find a Pumpkin. And that's it, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I hopefully will see you next week. All right, thanks. Ready? And tickle the stars. Tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Bye, my story time friends. I'll see you next week.